For the purpose of this demonstration, you can see that I've turned off the visibility of all my layers. You can see this because the eye icon is being displayed with a line through it. You can see that if I click on one of these, the corresponding layer will come back into view. But again, let's keep this layer off for now. I've done this to show that we seemingly still have a layer visible right now. So what is this layer? Well, this layer is called a base map, and it's a layer that is automatically provided by ArcGIS Online. Its purpose is to provide visual context for your map. These usually contain geographical features such as labels for continents, lakes, and administrative boundaries, things like that. But you can change them if you want to. So what we do is we navigate to the left-hand side of the screen and click on this icon. This will open up the Basemap menu, which will display a variety of basemaps that you can choose from. Navigation, for example, might be one that you're more used to seeing on something like Google Maps. This specific basemap works a lot better if you start to zoom in, as it will begin to display more information about the roads. Very much living up to its name, navigation. But if we changed our basemap to this one called topographic, then details such as the relief of the land will be prioritized instead. If you were interested in viewing something different, like satellite imagery, for example, then you can click through to imagery instead. You can play around with these as much as you'd like. Some of them you'll end up really loving, and some of them you'll end up really hating, as is the exciting world of online cartography.